Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ball for Food. Today we are going to make a nice healthy pancake, that is banana and oats pancake. You just have to mash them up nicely. 2 ripe bananas you will use and mash them up nicely. Just mash them up nicely. Now since bananas are sweet, you may add sugar, you may not add sugar. That's absolutely personal choice. Some people like it a little more sweet, but some don't. So it's okay. More or less mashed up. Into this we will break in 2 eggs. Just be careful with the shells that you don't drop them. Now here I have 1 cup of oats. They are rolled oats which I just mixed in the mixie to get a powder. This is 1 cup of it. I'm adding a little bit of sugar to it. 1 teaspoon of baking powder for it to nice and rise, and become nice and fluffy. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Banana and cinnamon are made in heaven. And of course vanilla essence. I'm putting a little of vanilla essence. Just a pinch of salt to balance the taste. And a little bit of oil, about 2 tablespoons of oil to give it that smooth texture. Now mix it up nicely. Just mix it up nicely. If you can make this 10 minutes before, it's good. Give it 1 cup of milk I'm using. Now the oats are a substitute to the all-purpose flour. See that there are no lumps. Just keep stirring it. I will put my oil on which we are going to. Let's heat it up. The temperature should be medium so that the cooking is done, of the pancake is done evenly. Put in some butter. Let Let it just melt. You can even put oil if you want. But you know, butter gives a lovely flavor to it. Gas to be on medium heat. Now, it depends on how big you want them. Let them cook. And once they are done, you will see bubbles on them, you know, and that's the time you can flip them over. They will take about a minute on each side. Now you can see the bubbles. Once you see the bubbles, we can just flip them over. Because that's the time they start setting. I'll give it a little more time to set, you know. You have to be very careful when we are flipping it over. So I'll give it a little more time to become firmer, and then I'll flip them over. Let me just check for the color. You know, once it's done, it will have this brown color. Let's just remove one lot on the plate we're going to serve it. We'll make another lot. Put in our butter the same way as we had done. The bubbles need to come. We then can flip over our pancakes. Let's see if we can flip it. No, it's still not set. See, the bubbles are there. Can you see the bubbles? The baking powder will make it nice and fluffy. Still not done. And the pancakes are made, friends. Now I have put some strawberries, you can see, and some pomegranate just to decorate it. Drizzle some honey or maple syrup and serve it to your dear ones. You know, pancakes are a very, very versatile breakfast. Everybody loves it. So do make them and let us know. Bye, friends.